Here's a quick example of the Object Validator AI agent used for validating specific objects in images. You can use this agent for things like online order validation, delivery validation, or meal order validation. The power of this agent is that you can specify simply using text objects in images that you would like to validate using our parameter field. For example, let's check a simple order of a few items that could represent a meal order: a can of Coke, a packet of chips, and a chocolate bar. When we run an image through the validator, if an item is missing, for example in this case, the chips, it'll be flagged as not detected. This also works if many items are missing, so you can use this on one or many items in a long list. You can also get very specific, and this is where the agent functionality really proves itself. If, for example, we're looking for a Coke Zero and not just a standard Coke, we can simply enter this in the parameter field. If a regular Coke is present, it will be ignored, and the Coke Zero will be flagged as not detected. If a Coke Zero is present, it'll be flagged as detected and the order is validated. So you can see this power being able to change these things quite easily using text. So you can use this via the API or the batch mode functionality if you have a set of images. This is object validation made easy, flexible, and accurate. You can use it on your object validation tasks.